All right, hello everyone. Welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to talk about Pinterest niche selection. Will your niche work on Pinterest? And if you don't have a niche yet, let's help you pick a niche. All right, anytime you see a video where the word niche is used, the person usually pronounces it two different ways. In this video, I will not do that. Niche only for me. The other way is just gross. I'm Sean from SEO Sorcerer. Welcome to my video. If you haven't already, could you please like and subscribe, and even fire a comment down there. Hit that bell. If you don't have a comment yet, if you hang it to the end, you might have a very specific comment for me in the form of a question that I'd be glad to help you with. So without further ado, let's do this. All right, first let's talk about your niche. If you have one, will it work on Pinterest? This is very easy to figure it out. Let's say, for instance, your niche is fantasy football. Let's take a look here and see if anyone on Pinterest is killing it in fantasy football. I have my preconceived thoughts. Right, that accidentally searched my own pins. So, not do that. Let's search fantasy football. Surprisingly, there's a lot of content on fantasy football. That kind of backfired for me. I was trying to show you something that's not doing well on Pinterest. Instead, there's quite a bit of content out there. So let's look at people. Are there any accounts dedicated to fantasy football? Okay, this one has 6.8 thousand followers. The biggest fantasy football account is 171 followers. So if we take a closer look here, this account has done very little. Looks like it's kind of dated. We got Peyton Manning at quarterback, Arian Foster, who hasn't been in the league for quite a while either. Maybe they didn't put in the effort, or maybe they're just quitters. Either way, as expected, fantasy football, it turns out, is not a great niche on Pinterest. All right, let's take a look at something different. Let's do vegan gingerbread Christmas cookies. Again, I messed up. Okay, so we're searching all pins for that. Looks like we got all kinds of selections. After all, this is what Pinterest is all about. There are probably a lot of Pinterest users who really just use it for recipes. So this one was kind of a layup. We knew we were going to find this kind of thing on Pinterest. Even if you go something for as specific as vegan gingerbread Christmas cookies, there's an array of them. When people think Pinterest, they think, arts and crafts, cookies, things like this. So let's go for something kind of in the middle here. Let's do the Pomodoro Technique. This is something that has to do with time management and productivity. This is something that probably could be found on a, like I said, productivity, a work from home, business blog, things like that. And as you can see, there are loads of results when it comes to the Pomodoro Technique. If we dig a little deeper here and we look at the accounts that created it, let's try to find a good one here. Here we go, Time Management 101. This is a Pinterest account that is completely dedicated to productivity and time management. 6.4K followers, 362,000 viewers. So, followers and views aren't everything, but if you have hundreds of thousands of monthly viewers and thousands of followers, Pinterest marketing was obviously a worthwhile venture for you. So basically the goal of this video was to show that there are a wide area of niches that work on Pinterest. You probably wouldn't want to use Pinterest as your main traffic source if you have a fantasy football site, but you could still get some traffic from Pinterest if you had a portion of your site that was dedicated to, football party snacks or man cave decorating. So odds are there's probably at least one aspect of your business that would be good to market on Pinterest. If you're not sure if your site or business is a good idea to take to Pinterest, then feel free to drop a comment below and we can talk about it. Maybe your niche is so good you don't want to share it with me. That's fine too. I promise I'm not gonna steal any niches. But once again, I'm Sean from SEOsorcerer.com. Thanks for checking out my video. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on Pinterest marketing, I'll leave a link below. And if you enjoyed my content, please hit the like button and subscribe and hit that little bell. And also, one more thing, I have video equipment on the way, so you'll be seeing my face soon, so brace yourself for that.